Hello viewers, this video provides a clear and step-by-step process for installing SQL Server software. Please open Microsoft SQL documentation in Google. In that you can see download SQL Server. Right side, click on it. Scroll up, you can see free editions, developer and express. I have selected developer. Click on the link, download now. Open downloads in Chrome. Click on the downloaded file. Here you can see developer edition getting ready to install. You have to select installation type. I have selected custom here. Now you can browse location. After that, click on the install button. You can see here downloading packages. You have to wait until the end download successful. After download successful, it opens installation center, and once read those steps and links, click on the installation. You will see install SQL Server management tools right side. That link open up for SQL Server Management Studio documentation. Scroll up and you can see free download SSMS. Click on the link. You can see that downloading in progress.